What's good, guys? It's your boy Cash, and I'm back with another video on this company in the past. This company is called Spoview. They sell brushes, they sell Durags, they sell storage boxes, they sell picks, they sell everything you need for your waves. All right, this company definitely sells everything you need for your weaves, but we gonna get ahead and get into it right after the intro. Today we're gonna get ahead and talk about the Spoview brush. They dropped the blue camo brush. Okay, I actually like this blue camo brush. I think it looks a lot better than the original camo brush. The blue is definitely hitting. All right, so without further ado, let's get ahead and get a close-up look at this brush so y'all can see what we're talking about. All right, so when you get your camo brush, you want to open it up. When you open it up, it's gonna give you washing tips on how to take care of the brush and everything like that. They brushes come in a bag, so what you want to do is you want to pull the brush out of the bag, pull it out, put the bag to the side. All right, so this is what we're looking at. It's a curved brush. All right, y'all pretty much know the curved brushes. All right, contour, typical curved stuff. All right, contours. They got this shark print on there, all right? Shark going in your waves, shark going deep sea diving in your waves, you feel me? They got the Spoview logo right there, all right? I don't know if you can see it, boom, all right? Yeah, so, I mean, there's nothing special about the brush. It's a regular curved brush, but what is different about this brush is the fact that it's camouflage. You don't see too many camouflage brushes, period, let alone a curved brush, all right? This brush goes for $23.55. They also have the palm brush right here. Palm brush goes for $22.55. You see the logo, Spoview, all right? Typical palm brush. So they went and sent your boy the handle brush and the palm brush. Let me give you some more specs about these wonderful brushes. So if y'all don't really know about Spoview, Spoview not only sells brushes, but they also sell Durags, silk Durags, as well as velvet Durags. Now these Durags came in a pack like this. I believe it's like 3 of them. Different colors. They got a thing for this whole shark design. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the Durags that I got. All right, so this is one of the Durags right here. That's the, all right, it got like this whole shark thing. You can see the eyes of the shark and the teeth. So this will go around your head right there. It's silk, it's satin, I should say. It's satin material, okay? Long strings, okay? I actually have 2 of these Durags now. So I'm gonna give away a brush, and the brush came with an extra Durag in it. So I'll keep this one for myself, and I'll give the other one to one of you lucky people. The second Durag that they sent me was this blue one. This blue one goes really good with the camo brush, the blue camo brush, all right? So this is what it looked like. Also has the eyes, has the teeth right here, all right? Same thing, it's satin, all right? Silky material. Open it up. There you go, open it up. It's silky, y'all see that shine on there, so y'all know it's silky, all right? So this was the second Durag, blue camo shark Durag. And last but not least, Durag. They sent me this colorful one right here. All right, with the teeth, the eyes, and a whole bunch of different color camo stuff. I actually like this one too. All right, so I'll also be keeping this Durag. They sell palm brushes as well as handle brushes. They sell wave caps. They even sell the brush cleaners, all right, with the brush cleaner too. And when you get your brush will come with a brush cleaning tool. This is the brush cleaning tool right here. You can put it inside the brush and you can rake through it and pull the hair out, all right? Or you can pick through it like this, and then they even got this side right here where you can comb through it and get all of the stuff out of there, all right? So shout out to Spoview, and it's plastic, but it feels real sturdy. It feels real good quality. They also sell travel bags. To put your brushes in, like if you're going out of town. They sell storage boxes, all right, that you can put on your sink or your vanity. and put your brushes in and your Durags and your products. You can put all that stuff in there. Storage boxes is dope. They got blue and they got like a lime green or yellowish kind of color one. Yo, I'm telling you, y'all might want to get that. These brushes are made out of beechwood, boar bristles, and the downside is they only sell medium brushes right now. All right, they haven't came out with a hard brush. They haven't came out with a soft brush. So right now, all they have is medium brushes. Why you want to get this brush? You want to get this brush because it's unique, it's different. Like I said, there's not too many people that sell Camo brushes, and this is definitely a brush that'll look good on your dresser or look good in your bathroom sink, all right? Plus the price point is not bad, all right? A lot of these brushes nowadays is going between $20 and $30. Like I said, the brush, the palm is like 22, the handle is 23. If you would like one of the gift boxes that comes with a Durag, a wave cap, a travel bag, a storage box, a pick, a brush cleaner, comes with all of that, that will go for $65.99, and you will have everything you need besides product. You will have everything you need. Y'all go ahead and check that out. I'll leave the links down in the description for the brushes, for the gift, for the storage boxes, everything, so y'all can take a look at it and go purchase whatever you want to purchase. It's your boy Cash. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't do nothing else, be real with yourself. Peace.